Hey guys, we are at Tiny Life Homes in Franklin, North Carolina. Today, we're going to walk you through a model called the Lincoln. It is made by Mountain View Cabins, sold by Tiny Life Homes. We'll put links to all their stuff in the video description below. This home has a couple of very unique features I really want to point out to you. And it is a 12 foot by 34 foot RV park model. So without further ado, let's get on with the tour.
Now if you're tired of mansions and rent too high, come on down where the ceilings kiss the sky. They're rolling through the country in a big old van with a GoPro, a dream, and a downsizing plan. Mrs. Tammy points, look at that storage stair. Mr. Chubby stuck in a loft with half his derriere. Mini splits humming, solar panels shine, hangover bars hanging just fine. Compost and toilets in a barn door glide.
Hi guys, we are in the entryway of the Lincoln. As you can see, this is a side entry home. Doesn't have a porch. You don't have to deal with the porch on the outside and talk about all that. But you're like, oh, I want a porch. Well, you can have a porch built. What's the benefit of having a home with a side entry? I've never really addressed that. This is 34 foot, so you don't have all that additional 10, 12, 14 foot stuck on the end for your porch. So this home, a home like this, is really good for those small lots where you need some maneuverability or something like that. Or maybe you just need a side entry for whatever reason. You're going to set it in a lot where there's going to be a driveway right here and you want to come right out of your car right into your house. You may just want to put a small stoop here. Maybe you don't want a deck. But that's the situation with this one. We're in this room. I told you, I promised you some neat features. This home actually has a coat closet. You come in out of the rain, right here, you pop your rain jacket right in that coat closet. It's got a shelf above and a rod below, so you can put some storage in there and you can hang your coats and everything like that. So this is great for those North Carolina winters.
And your mop and your vacuum down in the bottom.
Sure, use it as a broom closet as well. So this room, the home is the log cabin style. Again, we're in a pickled look on the inside. This one has the contrasting dark all the way around, not just in the beams above, but this contrasting dark looks great with that pickle. Tammy mentioned that in the video a few weeks ago. I was trying to envision it in my mind. Don't have to envision it anymore. It's here. This living area is very spacious. Since it's a 12 foot wide, the interior all the way through the home is going to be 11 foot wide. From right over here at the coat closet to this bank of front windows is 13 foot. But to right here at the eat-in bar is like 8 foot 8 inches to right about here where the cabinet is. So you can see you've got 8 foot space to here, 13 foot space over to here. So it's a really great size room. You don't really need a dining table in here. Although if you wanted to, you could put a small little dinette over there. It's got the built-in fireplace, the electronic fireplace. They built it in with the wood surround around it and the granite on top. And it gives you a place you can either set a mount a TV above or set a TV that has, the frame to set if you don't want to bother with mounting it on the wall. Granite, solid surface, granite countertop, beautiful black finish. Again, these cabinets by Mountain View Cabins are soft close. They're full wood. They have soft close doors and drawers, and they have rubber banded most of them closed. So I really can't show you, but they do close softly. Standard, what seems to be in the Mountain View Cabins is a black appliance package. It may change as we look at other homes of theirs, but I'm sure you could probably upgrade if you wanted to. This is just GE glass top with the over-the-range microwave, and you get a over-under basic refrigerator package with this. Single bowl sink. They do have a very nice faucet here, the spring sprayer faucet. And one thing we've noticed with the Mountain View Cabins here at Tiny Life Homes is they don't really have dishwashers. So anyway, you are the dishwasher. So anyway, didn't mention mini split Mitsubishi head units in the front room and a ceiling fan and the open beams. Tammy probably showed you that. I'm not going to make her spin back around. We do have a rather nice pantry here. It has 3 shelves, and we mentioned a lot at the bottom you can store your big bulky boxes of toilet paper and paper towels, but it's finished just the same as the rest of the house. As we come on back the hallway down the kitchen, this has there's no loft in the home, so you have the cathedral type ceiling. This one puts the beams all the way through, which is really nice touch, really cabiny feel. We have a rather small bathroom, but here's one of the features. A lot of you folks talk about this. Now, I didn't think about it a lot, but a lot of folks, when you look at our channel and watch our tours, you say, we show all these shower units, you're like, I want a bathtub. Guess what? Ta-da, bathtub. This one comes with a bathtub. So it definitely is available with the Mountain View company to get a bathtub in your tiny home. Bathroom 4'6" wide, and from the wall to the wall 7'8". So that's 30 square feet bathroom. Same cabinets continue over. You get a vanity medicine cabinet, I think that is. Yep, medicine cabinet vanity. And 3 fixture light above. You get the same cabinet, same countertop, and these are oil rub bronze finish in here to match your trim. Got a window and an exhaust fan as well, and a recessed light above the tub. And the tub, that one-piece tub unit is actually I think it's a 2 or 3 piece tub unit, 4-piece. So anyway, it is fiberglass. It's mounted in there. But that's got some shelf spaces and everything else. Now, as we go back through the rest of the house, over here just past the kitchen, it's where your stackable washer and dryer goes. In this nook, you've got a nice shelf with some storage space above. For that, you have a recessed panel down to your left and down towards the ground, which you really can't see right now. But if you have a plumbing issue, which I hope you don't, but you get this little recess or this little panel that you can pop off, blends in with your siding, so that's really nice. Now you got a really spacious bedroom in this one. I want Tammy to come take a look and show you guys. Again, this is going to be 11 foot wide from wall to wall and 9 foot 3 inches from me to where you're at, looking where Tammy is right now. 9 foot 3 inches to the door. One single unit window unit here and a transom above where they have kind of opted for you to put your headboard of your bed. Couple huge closets. These are on the sliding barn. Nice stop. Sliding barn style doors flanking your chest of drawers in the middle. This is essentially a 2 foot by 2 foot closet, which is nice. It's got a shelf above and just like the coat closet in front and a closet rod right here. Finished the same as inside. The rest of the house, that's the same on both sides of this chest of drawers. Large chest of drawers. Does not have the granite here. This is a wood finish. It's a great place. Already set up. You can put a TV in here if you're one of the folks that likes to watch TV in bed. Plenty of room in here for a king size bed, no problem. Another mini split head unit in here and a ceiling fan and the open beams, which is really nice. And we talked about this if you saw our video of the Madison Mountain Life cabins. Hides their electrical panel inside a covered door, so you don't see that white sticking out and it's not as obnoxious. Now, we don't like it so much that it's in the bedroom, but it is what it is. Now, each side of where the bed is has a outlet, so you can plug up you can put nightstands and plug up a lamp, whatever you'd like to do. It's a really big, spacious home. It's 9 foot by 11 foot, a little over 9 foot by 11 foot. So that's right at 100 square feet for your bedroom space, including your closets, and plenty of space for a nice bedroom retreat for you. Quiet, going to be cool or warm, and really comfy, cozy cabin. Am I missing anything? All right, guys, we're about to go on to the next, because here at Tiny Life Homes, they have tons and tons of houses. We're going to try to tour as many as we can before it rains. and it gets too hot. But we appreciate you guys watching our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like this type of content. Share it with your friends and subscribe and ring that bell so every time there's a new video comes out, you will be notified that we posted something. We're trying to do a pretty hefty tour in the next few days, get as many homes filmed as we can and posted to our channel over the summer so we can focus on our life at home while we just dribble a video or two a week out to you guys. But we're doing some heavy duty work, so we're ready to go. We're trying to get back on our feet and get everything going. So anyway, without further ado, we're going to go into the next home. We appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next house.